Hi everyone, I just want to introduce myself. My name's Megan Lacey. I'm one of the librarians at Gutman, and I'm also the person that your professor, Karen Williams, is trying to get you all to reach out to for your research projects. So just to get started, I wanted to show you where you could find the library's website and begin finding sources. So what you're looking at now is My Gutman, my version of My Gutman. It probably looks a little different on your screen, but just look for the library's link there. The good news is, even though the library is physically closed, a lot of our resources are online resources. So you'll be able to find articles from peer-reviewed journals, articles from popular sources like magazines and newspapers, and books, ebooks, through our libraries. One other thing I want to point out, this chat feature, this is new to Gutman and I'm pretty excited about it because it means that at any point, 24/7, if you need help finding something on the website or finding a resource for your research, there is a real librarian that's answering that question. So it might not be me, but it could be. But there's somebody able to help you at any point when you need it. So where I'm going to have you guys start before you meet me is just using OneSearch. OneSearch is supposed to be sort of like Google. It searches all of our databases, and a database is just any collection of information. So a collection of newspapers, a collection of peer review articles, a collection of ebooks. It allows you to search most of the databases we subscribe to and do that all at one time. So if you're not even sure what your topic is a good starting place just so you can look at the titles of things and see kind of what's already been written. And then you can narrow your own topic from there. Less is more. This is true of Google or library databases. So don't put in a whole sentence in the search box. Just put in 2 to 4 keywords. So let's say I was doing the topic of prisoner reentry. I'm just going to put those words in. Now you get to experience my slow internet. So now you see we have a lot of results, 11,034 results, way too many to look through. But like I said, we're just trying to browse right now. You can also use these facets on the side to narrow. So maybe you only want to look at books or only articles, only things from peer-reviewed journals, only these certain topics, or you can narrow by the date range. So these are just ways to get that huge number of results down. But just pay attention to what you're looking at. So this is a link to an ebook because I can see that there's a little book icon, plus it says available online. Let's see. I'm going to just go down to peer-reviewed journals because I know that's a resource that you're being required to use. So peer-reviewed journals is just articles that are written for an academic audience. So people who study criminal justice are writing these articles or are reading them. So let's say I wanted this first article. When I click on it, I'll be looking not at the article, but a record. This describes the article, sort of like when you're online shopping. You're not looking at the actual thing, but deciding whether or not you want that thing. So let's click on the available online link. That'll push us down to all of the databases. That's what I was saying earlier, those collections of information that have this article. So I should be able to click on one of these databases and look. I'm not going to do that right now because this video is already 4 minutes long, but I just wanted to give you a little preview and also show my face so you know who you're reaching out to and know that you do have a flesh and blood person who's ready to help you with your research. Talk to you soon.